Indian food mukbang. I got really basic Indian food because it's the only thing I know. I got chicken tikka masala, rice, garlic naan, and samoa. Ooh, this looks so good. I eat this all the time. It's so good. I also got my Miffy cup I got from Japan. And my currently favorite drink, Olipop Ginger Lemon. It's just so good. Okay. Don't judge me how I eat this. Please.